Advice. She gave me good advice. Along. We walked along the river. Lesson 26. Attention. Please pay attention. Attract. The flowers attract bees. Climb. They climbed the mountain. Drop. Snow dropped softly onto the ground. Final. This is the final answer. Further. Do you need further information? Imply. What are you implying? Maintain. It's hard to maintain focus. Neither. Neither the blue shirt nor the red one fits me. Otherwise. Hurry up, otherwise you'll be late. Physical. Eating vegetables regularly improves your physical health. Prove. He proved his theory. React. How did she react? Ride. He usually rides a scooter to school. Situated. The hotel is situated near the beach. Society. Technology changes society. Standard. Safety standards are high here. Suggest. I suggest we leave early. Lesson 27. Actually. I actually like this idea. Bite. I took a tiny bite out of the cookie to taste it. Coast. They walked along the coast. Deal. They made a business deal. Desert. The desert is very hot. Earthquake. The earthquake damaged many homes. Effective. This method is very effective. Examine. The doctor examined him. False. The information was false. Gift. She received a birthday gift. Hunger. Hunger made him weak. Imagine. Imagine a world without war. Journey. The journey took 3 days. Puzzle. This puzzle is difficult. Quite. The movie was quite good. Rather. She would rather walk than take the bus. Specific. Please give specific details. Tour. We went on a city tour. Trip. The trip was fun. Value. Education has great value. Lesson 28. Band. The band played very well. Barely. She barely passed the exam. Boring. The movie was boring. Cancel. They canceled the meeting. Driveway. He parked in the driveway. Garbage. There is too much garbage on the street. Instrument. She can play 3 musical instruments. List. I wrote a shopping list. Magic. The witch used magic to make the broom fly. Message. I got your message. Notice. I didn't notice him leave. Own. They own a small shop. Predict. She predicted the results correctly. Professor. My professor is very knowledgeable. Rush. I rushed to finish the report on time. Schedule. My schedule is full today. Share. I shared the news with her. Stage. He walked onto the stage. Storm. The storm caused heavy damage. Within. Finish the work within an hour. Lesson 29. Advertise. They advertised the product online. Assign. The teacher assigned homework. Audience. The audience applauded loudly. Breakfast. I had bread for breakfast. Competition. She won the competition. Cool. The weather is cool today. Gain. He gained a lot of experience. Importance. Education has great importance. Knowledge. Knowledge helps us grow. Major. This is a major problem. Mean. Don't be so mean to your little brother. Prefer. I prefer tea to coffee. President. The president gave a speech. Progress. She made quick progress. Respect. I have great respect for my teachers. Rich. He became rich at a young age. Skill. Communication skill is essential. Somehow. She somehow convinced him to join the team. Strength. His strength surprised everyone. Vote. They voted for a new leader. Lesson 30. Above. The birds are flying above the rows of trees. Ahead. The road ahead is clear. Amount. I was surprised by the amount of work I had to do. Belief. Her belief gave her strength. Center. Meet me at the city center. Common. It's a common mistake. Cost. The repairs cost a lot of money. Demonstrate. He demonstrated how it works. Different. We have different opinions. Evidence. There is no evidence for that claim. Honesty. Honesty is the best policy. Idiom. Break a leg is an English idiom. Independent. She is financially independent. Inside. The inside of the house is beautiful. Master. He is a master of chess. Memory. That memory still makes me smile. Proper. Wear proper shoes for hiking. Scan. Scan the document for errors. Section. Read the first section carefully. Surface. The surface of the table is smooth.